Hey guys, welcome to the education tree. This video will be on the components of blood. Blood is a specialized connective tissue that circulates in our blood vessels. It transports oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients throughout our body. The average adult has a blood volume of roughly 5 liters, which is composed of plasma and several kinds of cells. Plasma is a ground substance and it is primarily water, but it also contains dissolved materials such as proteins, electrolytes, nutrients, gas, and makes up to 50% of blood. On the other hand, formed elements, which are the cells of blood, include white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. So now we will be looking at the function and definition of our formed elements. Firstly, we have red blood cells. They are also known as erythrocytes. They are biconcave discs with no nucleus that carry oxygen from lungs to the body. By the help of hemoglobin, hemoglobin attracts 4 oxygen molecules each. They also have flexible cell membranes as they squeeze through capillaries. And they originate in the red bone marrow. And they can live up to 4 months. Secondly, white blood cells are also known as leukocytes. They have a nucleus and they originate again in the red bone marrow. They can live up to a few hours or even up to a year. They circulate throughout the lymphoid tissues. And mainly, their function in inflammatory process and immune processes is conducted by a process called diapedesis. Diapedesis is the migration of leukocytes from the blood circulation site to the site of inflammation, and they include granulocytes and agranulocytes. So granulocytes contain cytoplasmic granules. I feel like the definition is literally in the name, right? So granulocytes contain granules. There are 3 types, which consist of neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. On the other hand, agranulocytes do not have a cytoplasmic granules, so they consist of lymphocytes and monocytes. Platelets, again, they are located in the red bone marrow, and they're also known as thrombocytes. They contain cytoplasmic granules, but no nucleus. So they circulate within our blood and bind together when they recognize damaged blood vessels and they initiate blood clotting. They are derived from megakaryocytes, but I will add here, so blood clotting, that's the main part. When you think of platelets, don't forget to think of blood clotting. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.